What advice would you have to give to someone young like me, and what can I start doing now?
First of all, you're doing the right thing being here. Give them a hand for just being there. And now what we got to do, bro, you got to leverage your age. How old are you?
13.
You're a killer, bro. You're a killer. You need a target, okay? I want to give you a target of like, how much are you going to make this year?
I have no idea.
Yeah, well, there you go. That's the problem, okay? I'm going to give this guy a target of $10,000 between now and the end of the year. I need you to produce $10,000 worth of income. You got 5 months to do it. It's $2 grand a month, $500 a week, $80 a day. What's your business going to be?
Repairing phones.
What, you repair phones well?
Yeah.
What kind of phones?
Still. All of them.
How many of you willing to help this guy out with his new business venture, okay? There you go. There you go. Here's 20. Here's another customer, dude. Here's another customer. Here's 20. Here's 60. Here's 100. There's 100. He's gonna make more money today than some of you gonna make this year. So how much is this?
A lot.
No, this is not a lot. It's a lot of money to you right now. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. If you can show me this money by the end of the year, I will double it. I'm guaranteeing you a double. All you gotta do is show me this money December 31st. What could you do today to guarantee yourself? Think creatively.
Give it to you.
We're partners now, okay? All right, I got your money. Call me back on December 31st. You want it back? Your choice. You want it now? You trust yourself or you trust me?
You.
Okay. He's guaranteed to double like that.